that is at rest. Mass is equal to how much? 5 kg, right? So three forces, one is northward, this is east, west, north, south. Three forces are acting. First one is north. F1 is equal to how many newtons? That is 10 newtons. Now direction is, what is it? J. This is I minus I minus J. This is 10 J newtons. Next, second force is, what is it? North. First force is three forces due north. Second force is due east. So F2 is equal to 10 I newtons. Next, third force is acting along this, what is it? Northwest direction. Third force is acting along northwest direction. This is F3, 10 how much? Root 2 newtons. Northwest direction. Now the force, it is broken up into, what is it? Two components. Okay, so this is, what is it? Theta based component making an angle, what is it? Theta, which is here F3 into cos of, what is it? Theta. 3 into cos of theta. This is F3 into sin of theta. Okay. Question is, what is it? Acceleration produced in a body. What is the acceleration produced in a body? Now first we can find what is the total forces acting on this object. Therefore first force F1 is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3. Okay, net force, net, that is equal to F1 10J plus F2. F2 value is equal to 10I. F3 is equal to the component of these two forces. Here angle is mentioned, that is northwest corner. Northwest corner means, what is it? Theta is equal to exactly 45 degrees. Therefore this is F3 cos of 45, what is it? Minus I plus F3 sin of theta means 45 degrees. Direction is J. Therefore 10J plus 10I plus here F3 value 10 root 2 cos of 45 1 by root 2 minus of I plus here F3 value 10 root 2 into 1 by root 2 into J cap. Root 2 get cancelled. Therefore 10J plus 10I minus of 10I plus 10J. Okay, so 10I get cancelled. This is equal to 20J. Here according to Newton's second law, M into A. Here mass is given 5 kg. Acceleration we can find 20. A is equal to 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 4 meter per second square along J direction. J direction. This is J. Resultant is, what is it? North. So the momentums of two perpendicular directions, that is Px is equal to 2t square plus 6. Momentum along y direction 3t square by 2 plus 3. Time t is equal to 2 seconds. Calculate the force. Okay. According to Newton's second law, force is equal to rate of change of momentum. Okay, so therefore dP is equal to Fx into dt. dp, derivative of this term, that is 2t square plus 2t square nothing but 4t plus 0. Okay, derivative of this constant term, it is 0 into dx, that is equal to fx into dx. Dx get cancelled, fx is equal to 4 into t. T value 4 2 ja, it is equal to 8 newtons. Next, dpy, that is equal to fy into dt. So derivative of this term, 3 2 ja 6, 6 by 2 into t is equal to fy into dt. This is dt. dt get cancelled. 6 by 2, that is 3t. 3 into t is equal to fy. 3 into 2, that is equal to fy. Fy is equal to 6 Newton. Okay. Resultant force is equal to square root of fx square plus fy square. Therefore, fx is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. Therefore, 64 plus 36, that is equal 100, that is equal 10 newtons. Bullet is fired from a gun. So force is equal to 600 minus of 2 into 10 to the power of, what is that, 5 t. So bullet is fired from a gun with a force. This is gun. Bullet is fired from this gun. Then trigger force is given. Then in t seconds, if force is becomes 0, if is equal to 0, the average impulse force imported to the bullet. Average impulse force bullet, okay, imported to the bullet. So force is 0 means 0 is equal to 600 minus of 2 into 10 power of 5 into t. Therefore 600, that is equal to 2 into 10 power of 5 into t. 10 power of 3, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. This is time. Impulse. So impulse is nothing but, what is it? Rate of change of momentum. dp divided by, what is it? dp is equal to f into dt. Okay, change in momentum, it is also called as, what is it? Impulse. Right. So therefore force into time, that is f into dt. F into dt, that is equal to dp. Okay, that is integration limits 0 to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 0 to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Therefore impulse is equal to force 600 minus 2 into 10 to the power of 5 t, integration 0 to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 of, what is it, dt. Therefore 600 into t limits 0 to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 2 into 10 to the power of 5 t square by 2 limits 0 to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So what is that? 2 get cancelled. Then 600 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus, okay, here 10 to the power of 5 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square minus of 0. Simplify it, then you will get result, that is 6 3 is 18 into 10 power of minus 1 minus, okay, 9 into 10 to the power of plus 5 into 10 power of minus 6. Therefore impulse is equal to 18 minus of 9 into 10 power of minus 1. Therefore 9 into 10 power of minus 1, that is equal 0.9 Newton second. Your mass of this object is given, that is 15 kg, is accelerated with a force F is equal to 100 newtons, right? So here force is given, that is excellent force A plus B into V. Here A is constant value mentioned as 25, B constant value is given by 0.5 Newton per meter per second. Right. Then acceleration E is equal to F by M. F value 100 divided by M 15. This is acceleration. Question is, what is the velocity? Does the acceleration is equal to half of this initial acceleration? Okay, ma is equal to a plus b into v. A is equal to a by m plus b by m into v. Here acceleration is equal to 1 by 2 of initial acceleration. Then what is the velocity? What is the velocity? Question. So therefore a by m plus b by m into v 1 by 2. A initial acceleration is calculated, that is 100 by 15, that is equal to a value 25 divided by m value 15 plus b value 0.5 divided by 15 into v. Right. Now what is that? 250s. Okay, 50 divided by 15, that is equal 25 divided by 15 plus 5 divided by 150 of v. Okay, so therefore 5 divided by 150 of v, that is equal to 50 minus of 25 divided by 15, that is equal 25 divided by 15. So 5 by 150 into v is equal 25 divided by 15. 15 1 ja, 15 10 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja 25. Therefore v is equal to 50 meter per second.